Hello everybody, you bought watch today. So you bought its big case and black case with some interesting design, but sometimes it's a quartz movement and come with this small like some travel case, small one. Okay, but price also much better, like 5 times cheaper than a regular you bought watch with automatic movement. Not so many. Books here, very short, only one page. For example, I have another manual for another watch, Longines. It's not the same, right? You can read this manual very fast, 5 seconds. Okay, protective film. But anyway, this watch looks very nice. Retail price I guess about $2,000, but online store price now no easy find this watch, but price be around 600 for this model, or for model very same, maybe beige deal or not, different little bit size, not 45 millimeter like this model, but about $600. Sometimes maybe cheaper, sometimes price can be higher. Okay, it's you bought left hook IFO men's watch with quartz movement, made in Italy, no like usually in Switzerland. What we have here, 45 millimeters case diameter without crown. It's huge crown, or maybe almost another 10 millimeters, and thickness 14 millimeters. Case material, it's ion plated stainless steel case with you see brushed, looks very nice finish. Sapphire crystal, 5 atmosphere water resistant. It's mean 50 meters or 165 feet. Screw down crown with a protective cap, you can see this, yeah, with logo you bought. I guess it's very bright in being dark. I will show you right now. And black leather strap, buckle deployment, solid case back, like I know it's a limited edition, but I don't know exactly, 500 perhaps in this series. And another thing, I don't see any personal number here, like number 100 or depend. Okay, I turn off light. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, very bright, very bold, and you never miss time. Very bright. 12, 8 and 4. Beautiful. One more time. Letter. And almost my size. Left hook 5 atmosphere. You bought here. I don't know how good it's be this model after like 2, 3, 5 years when you wear every day, but I hope it's be looks not so bad. Maybe need after a couple years maybe just change strap, because usually strap die very fast. Couple years and done. Start looking another one. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for YouTube channel. Visit our website iReviewWatches.com. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.